Good morning, I'm Asha here from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Global Academy of Technology. Today I'm going to discuss on the graphical method, that is special cases regarding the graphical method to solve the linear programming problems. So the linear programming problems discussed in the previous lecture contained only the unique solutions. This is because the optimal value occurred at only one of the extreme points, that is any one of the corner points when you substituted in the optimal equation. But situation may arise when the optimal solution obtained may not be unique. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the multiple optimal solutions. That means we are going to get more than one optimal solution, then that is termed as a multiple optimal solution for a given LPP problem. See, the problem goes like this. They have given the maximization problem. The objective function, that is Z maximize, equals x1 plus 2x2. It is subjected to constraints. There are 4 constraints: x1 lesser than or equal to 80, x2 lesser than or equal to 60, 5x1 plus 6x2 lesser than or equal to 600, x1 plus 2x2 lesser than or equal to 160. x1 and x2 greater than or equal to 0. It is known as non-negativity constraint. See, the first step in solving any graphical problem in LPP is convert the inequalities into an equation. See, the first constraint is x1 lesser than or equal to 80. Substitute this lesser than or equal to sign into equal to sign. So the equation becomes x1 is equal to 80. So here this line is parallel to y-axis because we have 80 as the x1 value, 0 as the x2 value, because there is no x2 term in this equation. So the coordinates are 80, 0. You plot it along the x-axis and draw a line parallel to y-axis. Next constraint is x2 lesser than or equal to 60. Convert this inequality into an equation. So this will become x2 is equal to 60. There is no x1 term, so x1 value is 0. So coordinates are 0, 60. So plot it along the y-axis and this line will be parallel to x-axis. Third equation or the constraint is 5x1 plus 6x2 lesser than or equal to 600. Convert this inequalities, that is lesser than or equal to equal to sign. So equation becomes 5x1 plus 6x2 equal to 600. In this equation, first put x1 is equal to 0, find out the value of x2. Then put x2 is equal to 0, then find out the value of x1. Now you have got the coordinate 0, 100 and 120, 0. The next constraint is x1 plus 2x2 lesser than or equal to 160. Now here also put x1 is equal to 0, find out the value of x2, and x2 is equal to 0 and find out the value of x1. Now the coordinates are 0, 80 and 160, 0. See, we have plotted all these constraints on the graph sheet. The first one is x1 lesser than or equal to 80. So you will get a coordinate 80 comma 0. So this will be plotted along the x1, that is x direction. Then draw a line. You can see this red line parallel to y-axis. Next equation is x2 lesser than or equal to 60. So coordinates are 60 comma 0. This is the point. So this line is parallel to your x-axis, this green color line. Extend this line parallel to your x1 or the x-axis. Next equation is 5x1 plus 6x2 lesser than or equal to 600. You have got the coordinate 0, 100, 120, 0. So here 0, 120, 0 and 0, 100. These are the 2 points. Join these using a straight line. So this blue color line represent the constraint 5x1 plus 6x2 lesser than or equal to 600. Last constraint is x1 plus 2x2 lesser than or equal to 160. So you have got the coordinates 0, 80, 160, 0. 0, 80 is this point and 160, 0. Join these 2 points using a straight line. This is represented as a brown color. This is the straight line representing the equation x1 plus 2x2 lesser than or equal to 160. See, while drawing the region, first you take x1 is lesser than or equal to 80. Select any point below that line. That is, I am taking 0, 0. Substitute 0 in this equation. X1 is equal to 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 80? So it is satisfying the condition. So arrow mark should be towards the origin. So this I have represented. So the region will be towards the origin. Next equation is x2 lesser than or equal to 60. Now again this green line represent that second constraint. So substitute or take any point below that line. I am taking 0, 0. So 0 is less than 60. Yes, it satisfies the condition. If it satisfies the condition, the whatever you draw the arrow mark, that should be towards the origin. So I am drawing towards the origin this arrow mark. So whatever my feasible region lies below this line, again towards the left side of this line. Third equation 5x1 plus 6x2 is lesser than or equal to 600. If I take any point below this line, I'll take the origin, that is 0, 0. Is 0 less than 600? Yes, it satisfies the condition. So your region should be below that line or towards the origin. If it satisfies, it should be towards the origin. If it doesn't satisfy, it should be away from the origin. Again, the last constraint is x1 plus 2x2 is lesser than or equal to 160. This is the brown line representing that equation. So if I take any point below that, I'll take origin. So 0 as x1, x2 as 0. So 0 lesser than 160. Yes, it is satisfying the condition. So my feasible region should be below this line. So whatever I have drawn, the purple line, that is the origin A, B, C, D and E represent my feasible region. So in these points, get the coordinates, that is 0, 0, A is 80, 0, B is 80, 33.33, C is 60, 50, D is 40, 60, E is 0, 60. So these are the coordinates from the graph I have got for the feasible region. Now you take the objective function for each of these points, get the max z value. So for the origin it is 0, for the point A it is 80, for the point B it is 146.67, for C it is 160, D it is 160, and for E it is 120. So the problem is the maximization. So you have to, in the table, you have to see the maximum value, that is 160. It is occurring for the corner C and D. So the solution is not unique. So my maximization value, optimal solution is occurring at the corner C and D. So it is not a unique function. So it is having a multiple optimal solution. So more than one value, it is called multiple optimal solution.